Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Pipedrive to Mailchimp for CRM email tracking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Pipedrive to Mailchimp for CRM email tracking, first, ensure you have an active account for both Pipedrive and Mailchimp. Log into your Pipedrive account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Marketplace section found on the top menu. In the Marketplace, search for Mailchimp and the available integrations. Click on the Mailchimp integration from the search results. You will be redirected to the Mailchimp integration page. Read through the description to understand what features are available. Click on the Install Integration button to proceed. You may be prompted to log in to your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and grant the necessary permissions. After logging in, you'll be taken back to Pipedrive for further configuration. You'll now see options for synchronizing your Pipedrive contacts with Mailchimp. Select the lists you want to sync with your Mailchimp account. Ensure your email tracking preferences are set to your liking. Once configured, click the Save Preferences button to finalize your settings. Your Pipedrive contacts are now integrated with Mailchimp. To track emails effectively, create a campaign in Mailchimp. In Mailchimp, ensure that you use the same email addresses linked in Pipedrive for consistency. After setting up, send out your email campaigns as needed. Monitor the performance of your emails directly from Mailchimp's analytics dashboard. You can also go back to Pipedrive to view the results linked to specific contacts. Congratulations, you have successfully connected Pipedrive to Mailchimp for CRM email tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.